Hey guys, I'm here on a Minneapolis Truth in Housing. I want to point out something that's a common required repair on a Tish report. This is actually a clarification on, so if you have a laundry tub faucet threaded tip, you're supposed to have a backflow preventer on that tip. But what I come across a small fraction of the time is that there are actually aerator threads where you want to install aerator hardware. And in that case, that's not the type of threads where you can attach an extension hose. So if you see something that looks like this, do not go out and buy yourself a backflow preventer to try to put on there, because this does not count. This is not the type of correction you need to make. What we're looking for is the 3/4 inch threads that can attach an extension hose, which the hose could then be submerged in potentially contaminated water in your utility sink. And if the submerged hose pulls back contaminants through capillary action or back siphonage, then you have a big problem, and we need to prevent that by adding these backflow preventers. But this particular case is where I'm pointing out an exception